welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix an MSVCP120.dll error. It can be a wide variety of different names. It can be also called MSVCP120.dll is missing, not found, or it might just tell you to try reinstalling the program in general. Alright, let's get started. So, for this particular DLL to work, we need to install the Visual Studio 2013. And how we would do this is we would type in, so this is our browser. I'm on Google Chrome. 2018 version though, I think it's Windows 8 that's on here right now. But what we would type is microsoft.com-n-us-details.px ID equals 40784. We're going to want to hit enter on that. And you would want to give it a minute to load. Bear with me, I got an older computer. I'm actually using one of my parents' computers. So you can see right here, Visual C++, redistributable package for Visual Studio 2013. So this is exactly the one that we want to download. And you can read through the details, system, what the minimum requirements are. So we are okay, Windows 8. Server, yada, yada, yada. So here's all the languages that are available. We are English, or I'm English anyway. You can change it to whatever one you want in this section. And then we would just hit download. And right here is where you would find out if your computer is a 32-bit or a 64-bit, or this is 32-bit. And, you know, you can go and look through your settings if you want to find out what it is. Let's go to Control Panel and see if I can find it for us. And then we're going to want to go to System. And then here you'll see, so in fact it is 32-bit and it is Windows 0.1 Pro. So remember that the 86 is for 32-bit and then the 64 is obviously for 64. So I only need this one, so I'm going to check that one off and then hit next. And it should begin downloading for me. And let's say that it doesn't. Then we would just click this guy, but I can see that it just did. So you would just click this to download manually, and it should come up and start downloading. And we would open it. And we would agree to the policies. Yes. We would let it run. Should usually not take too long. And you can see setup successful. Now we can go back to the control panel. There it is, control panel. Should open, yep. And then through here, we can go to Program and Features. And here will be all the list of features and programs that we have. And you can see that we just downloaded 2/12/2022. So it is on our computer. And then whatever program that you have, then you can turn it off. So if you're playing a video game or something, then you can turn it off and then reboot it back up, and it should work. Thanks, guys, for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share any of my videos. Take care and stay safe out there. And don't forget to keep teching on.